Meaning of epoch-making.
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 Epoch-making. Epoch-making refers to a significant breakthrough or change that has a profound impact on a particular field or society as a whole. It represents a turning point in history, where old ideas and practices are replaced with new ones. Examples of epoch-making events include the Industrial Revolution and the Information Age. Such events reshape the way people interact with each other and the world, creating new opportunities and challenges that were previously unimaginable. They often have long-lasting effects that shape the course of human history.